to my channel. It's Savannah. So today I'm going to be doing a Popeyes mukbang. I've literally been craving Popeyes for the longest time. Like recently, I don't know what it's been, but I've just been really craving Popeyes. Their corn on the cob is just spot on. It's so good. So today I'm going to be trying the chicken sandwich for the first time. I've actually never had it since it came out. I've avoided the hype. I've avoided all of that because I just wanted to do it when it was like chill and I could like get it without there being like a crazy long line. And this Popeyes already takes a super long time, so I was just not having it. But yeah, today I got the spicy chicken sandwich. I'm in the line right now. I already ordered, but I will see you guys whenever I get home. Before you get into the video, I already want to say I know my roots are super bad. I know you guys are gonna say so much about it. It literally looks so bad. I just haven't had the time to sit down and like touch it up, but it's literally so bad right now. But besides that, I didn't really talk a lot in this video, so I'm kind of sorry about that too. But honestly, the food was just so good, so I was just munching away. But yeah, enjoy. God, this setup right now, A1. This is so crooked, I bet, but whatever, it's just gonna have to work. Okay, so I just got back to my house. I have my chicken sandwich right here. I got the spicy one, and for my side, I got corn on the cob. You guys, their corn be hitting different. And then I just got a sweet tea to drink. It's not even that cold. Anyways, I wanted to do like a really chill mukbang. I don't really have much to talk about, but I just wanted to try this, and why not film it for you guys' entertainment. So I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich now. I got it how it came, so hopefully it tastes good. I don't really know what's on it, but I don't like mayonnaise or anything, so I hope that's not mayonnaise. Okay. I'm getting like only crunch and no chicken. Sorry if you hear my parents yelling in the background. I don't know what's going on. God, my chest is starting to hurt. Okay, I didn't do a thumbnail, so hold on, let me do a thumbnail real quick. Okay, that's good. Okay, so update my opinion on the sandwich. I actually really like it. I think it's really good. I wouldn't even compare this to Chick-fil-A because I feel like this is like completely, totally two different sandwiches. Like they taste so different to me. So I wouldn't even compare them, but I do actually really like this. I got the spicy one, like I said. It's really good. Okay. I'm gonna try my corn. I always love their corn, so I don't see why I wouldn't like it this time, but it's really hot. Like, extremely hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. But it's so good. It's like dripping everywhere. Get another napkin. So good. I want to start making my mukbangs a little bit more unedited because I love watching like B Loves and her son and his girlfriend and like all those mukbangs that aren't like as edited, because they're just nice. You feel like you're sitting down and like actually talking and like eating with them, which I really like. So I'm gonna try to, if I do mukbangs more, which I probably will, like why would I not do a mukbang, but the more I do them, I'm gonna try to not edit them as much so they're more like raw. I don't know how people do mukbangs like as their only thing they did do on their channel, because literally like I just wouldn't know what to talk about. I would just be sitting here. Like, do they come up with topics before they film, or like what do they do? Because I've been running out of stuff to say. All I know is the sandwich is good. Really like it. I'm a stan. You guys, so I ordered the sweat stuff in the mail, and I'm so excited, you guys. I did the workout stuff last year, but this year I really want to hit it hard and like actually really try on it. So I ordered this sweat stuff, and it's supposed to like enhance your workout, and I didn't just get the cream, but I got the like thing. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to the gym tonight and I think I'm gonna use it for the first time. But it just looks like this. This isn't sponsored, I just really wanted to try it. But then you like wrap it around you and you put the sweat stuff on it, and it's supposed to like make you sweat and tone you and like cinch your waist and stuff. So I'm really excited to try that, because working out is nice and stuff, but when you got that hourglass, spot on. Oh my god, my sandwich keeps like falling out the bottom. Okay, I'm getting pretty full, so I think I'm just gonna finish up like the bread pieces and then I'll be done. I'm getting so full, y'all. Okay, so I think I'm about done. I hope you guys liked this video. It was honestly probably one of my most boring videos I'm gonna post, because I literally was just eating, but I know some people like that. So if you're into that type of thing, I hope you liked it. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming soon, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!